accidentally paused it.
Baba, Ate Bella, Jacob. O, may mga pangalan. Bunso.
Oh, there's a red ribbon for you. That's a pink. That's pink.
Baka partner nung ano na.
Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Oh my god.
Palda? Ilan? Ilan ka? Ay, hindi pala yung pwede dahil naka-ano naman siya.
But I love it here. I love it.
Ayun, ang bag ni Jadak na pamasok.
Off-white.
Ganda.
It smells like tatay.
Here.
It smells like tatay. Is this tatay's shirt?
Sa drawer ni Bella.
It smells like him.
May bag.
Smells.
Oo, may bag.
Ang baho niya. Ang baho. No!
Pinabilang ko si Jadak ng bag. Pamasok.
Okay, this is the end of the video. Look at my stylus. It's so crummy. It's off.
Hindi, sakto lang yun.
Thank you so much for watching.
Bago si Jadak.
I gotta practice these now, so bye.